Hey guys, it's time to clean again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Luz. Today's video is going to be a cleaning video. I moved some stuff around in my office and that made a bigger mess. So we got to go ahead and clean it up. Let me walk you through an office update real quick. I used to have this desk right over here in the middle of everything, and it kind of made the office look even smaller than it is, so I moved it over to this side. Now I also did bring all of this junk over here, and I need to organize. So I really need to get this room in shape and in order. It is a complete chaos and a complete mess. I can't believe it looks like this, but it does. Actually, I take that back. I can't believe I got like this because I moved a lot of stuff from my other closet into here because I want it all in one room. And I have been organizing also my makeup collection. If you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll go ahead and link it up right up here or up here on the side so you guys can watch it. So let me go ahead and get started. Alright, so that big mess is basically kind of organized or separated into different areas that I can tackle one day or a little bit at a time. That's just clothes. That all needs to be gone through. Like I need to go through and see what I'm keeping and what I'm tossing. It's mostly like bathroom stuff. So here is a quick overview of what this room is looking like. Total chaos. And to think that I actually thought I had it organized at some point is just ridiculous. But hey, we do what we can, right? With the time we have and with the resources that we have, just gotta take advantage of it and use what we got. So, time to get this room cleaned and organized. Yes, that's a Q-tip on the floor. I used it to do my makeup. Oh, all right, let's get started. This is what we got so far. It's looking a little bit better, except for that shoe. It's pissing me off. But at least we got it vacuumed and clutter-free from the floor. I am gonna move on to the closet now. That's what I'm really scared of, and that's what I've been procrastinating on. We got over the easy part. I'm out of breath, guys. Now we gotta do the fun part. Yay! So I fixed the shoes, and the ones that I used the most up front and the ones that I used the least up at the back. And then the boots, I have them up back because they're just so tall. But these are all the shoes for the season. I'm not much of like a shoe hoarder. I used to be, but I've kind of condensed on a lot of my clothing, especially like shoes and even my clothing. I do something called kind of like a capsule wardrobe, where I just have a few key pieces and I mix and match them. And then, so this is like my wardrobe for the season currently. Yeah, so if you want to see a video on how I do capsule wardrobe, please let me know in the comment section. I would love, absolutely love to film a video on my capsule wardrobe. And yeah, I think I have one that's a little bit older, but I need to do an updated one. So let's move on to this. I'm gonna bring it all down first. Alright guys, so pretty much got everything off the top rack here. Nice and empty. Just got some extra hangers right there. Got those at the 99-cent store. Whoop whoop. And then on this side of the closet, I just have my travel bag. And then that's my ring light. And then this is an air mattress. I don't know if I'm going to keep it here, but in the meantime it stays there because it's super bulky. And I really need to focus on all this. here is the finished results. Up the top portion of the closet, I organized it with the little bins. I do have a first set of linen for the air mattress, and I put this bag, my travel bag, up here as well, just to free up the bottom part of the closet. And then I put my art supplies right over here, and then again my wardrobe, my shoes, and then on this side I put our luggage. Not my favorite place, but we literally have no storage in the garage. Nothing fits, so I'm gonna see if the Christmas tree fits. If not, the box. If not, then I'm gonna have to put it right in here, which sucks. But at least this portion of the closet looks better, and that's how I usually keep it anyway. I have that side closed. Much better. Let me put the vacuum away, and then I'll show you the end results. This is a bag of like paperwork and crafts and my kids' stuff. Guys, moms, what do you guys do with all of your kids' stuff? Like the stuff they make from school and daycare and all these memories. What do you guys do with them? Because I just keep lugging it around and carrying it around every single time we move, and I don't know what to do with it. Any ideas, let me know in the comments.